Facebook, how to accept admin invite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can accept an admin invite on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to accept an admin invite on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application. Once you launch the Facebook application here, now previously what used to happen was if someone sent you an admin request, you would actually need to go to notifications icon and you would get a notification. So if that works for you, if you get a notification to accept the invite, you can accept it from there. However, if you don't get the notification, what you can instead do is you can simply search for that page manually over here. So when you search for that page manually and then you go to that page's profile page, you'll find the option to accept the invite. Now in my case, I already accepted the invite for this, but if you haven't, you'll find the option to accept the invite when you go to that page's page manually, right? So that's how it works. If you get a notification, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, search for the page manually and accept the invite from there. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.